I wanna eat this Korean food.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm back to my room. I have changed my clothes and all, and I took a bath, cleared my color. I don't know if it's visible or not. Just now I met Anna. Anna was saying color is still there, but I don't know. It's doesn't seem like it's there. So now we are going to have Korean food with Kusan, of course. Hey everyone, so right now we are going to have Kankokuryori, like Korean dish. Nice. This is Lisa. Lisa, you want to say anything?
韓国で食べに来ます。I'm going to move to Nagoya from Chiba, so I want to eat this Korean food.
Oh, he is moving to Nagoya. Anything?
No, I just want to eat chicken.
Korean chicken. Okay, why are we going to that restaurant?
Because there is so Shinokobu is very how to say is Korean town.
Okay,
So-
Korean town.
Yes, Korean
Oh,
town. That
Shinokobu is Korean town.
is very famous.
Okay.
So if you wanted to eat Korean food,
Uh-huh.
I think you can.
We should go
there.
to.
Yeah, you
Oh,
should go to
Shinokobu.
there. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So right now we are at the station. どっちでもいい We are going by Tsukuba Express. Tsukuba is a little expensive, but it's fast. So we are going by Tsukuba Express. Usually we take JR, Japan Railways. Japan Railways is cheap and slow. Let me show you Tsukuba station. So this is the enquiry center. You can enquire anything you want. And this is the ticket buying area. So Isan is buying the ticket. Kusan, do we have to do transfer between trains?
Yes,
2 times.
2 times. Yeah, we have to change
Okay,
2 times.
2 times. Isan, 何か言いたいことがある？言いたいことがある？
見たことよ。もう東京から離れるんで悲しいです。秋葉原だから。
So he is saying that he is shifting to Nagoya. So he is sad because he will be away from Tokyo. He will be far from Tokyo. Kusan is there only. We boarded Tsukuba, but now we are back to JR. Now we'll take the train from here. That was not our train. Finally, we have reached Shinokobu and Kusan. Shinokobu, Suita. Okay. Okay. Well, let me show you Shinokobu. without saying anything. I'll not say anything.
Why you always trying so hard to make me surrender? Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over? 'Cause I've been
ไม่หาแล้วติ่ง
皆さんどうぞ。はい。
だけになっちゃう。じゃあもうこれとこれしかない。まあ骨ついてもしょうがない。以上です。はい。これはね、食べてるんですよ。
逆になんか、一人暮らしで野菜を食べなくなる。
たまたまその時間に作るのがかなりループだなと思って、自分のこう、駅に着いたら、
これ何ですか？
これはね、大根で、大根の漬物してる感じ。
ああ。
豚肉です。そうです。大根です。
ありがとうございます。
これによって。
大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。
ちょっと平たい感じ。なんすか？おいしい。大根。
大根。
いや、こんな
ラディッシュ。
まあ、結構まあ、
カリフラワー。キャベジ。
はい、大丈夫です。
写真撮りましょう。
美味しそう。
はい。ありがとうございます。
まだ取らないよ。
そう
取らない。
you always trying so hard to make me surrender. Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over? 'Cause I've been getting great, I'm so down. Too much until it's done, and there's nobody. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul.
牛？
豚です。
オッケー。豚、オッケー。
僕は豚好きですね。
あ
牛だけじゃなくて豚もすっごい。
ー。Korean food。
そうじゃないか。
Well, I would like to end my vlog here because my phone's battery is down and we have eaten our food. It was very good. I hope you like the video, like it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and have fun.